I think it's a good question, and it's a good opportunity to let's talk about units and how to measure the light, because this is a different division of the science. For a human eye, we know we got lux and lumens, but for plants we got something like ppf, ppfd. What is it? It's very simple, and this is very similar to our candle. We start from the ppf. ppf is a total flux energy, which is weighted. I mean, the photon got weight, got the mass. We can really calculate or measure this way. So we put some system to measure the weight of the photons, and we really can measure how many photons dropping on my hand at the moment. And because it's very small amount of these photons, and the photons is a lot of, but the weight of the photons is very small. We call in micro. Micro is, I mean, 6 after 0 unit. So those micro means those weight is not in kilogram, pounds like this, but this is in moles. So moles is very small unit, and photons is smaller, so we got 6 times less. So we got micro. So micromoles, it's a weight of the energy photons, let's say, in other hands. So those number gives you the weight of the photons, and then we got the two kind of how to measure the light. The total flux, I mean the same. We put the emitting source of the light, and we collect all the light from the source, and we call micromoles per second. Micromoles per second. This is a total emitted light in weight from this the source of light in 1 second. Second unit is a ppfd, and this is what you got in some distance. How many micromoles was dropped in 1 square meter in 1 second. So this is only the two units which is describe you the photons and the quantity of those photons for plants. The par is something which we say like a standard, and this mean somebody in the past described this like the most attractive range of the light is between 400 and 700 nanometers. So because the photon got the mass, and this is the wave in the same time. So in this way, the photon got the waves, and the waves you can describe by the how long the wave is. And the blue is 400 nanometer. Nanometer is very small units, and so the total length of the blue is 400 nanometer. It starts in this way. Then we got the green, something like 500 nanometer, and then we put in the yellow, orange, red, deep red, and infrared. And the par is describing the light in a range between 400 and 700 nanometer. This is what we see. Human eye usually see in this range, and the plants using the same light in similar range. So this is a par. This is a light in this area, in this range.